Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of our Let's Play Project Ozone 3 Mythic Mode series. As you can see, I have been very busy. What is this? Well, this is our refinery setup in order for us to get some plastic going. What I've done was I've insulated all of my wires here, which is very nice because now I'm not getting shocked every time I fly through here. And all that takes is a little bit of hemp fiber and some creosote, which I have unlimited amounts of creosote, so that's no problem. I insulated all of our wires so we can connect it to all of our machines, and I built our industrial squeezer, our industrial fermenter, and I've got two refineries going here. Now, what is the purpose of these two refineries? Well, this first refinery takes plant oil and ethanol from our fermenter and squeezer. And what that does, do I have an extra pipe just sticking out here? I sure do. What that does is it creates biofuel, which we pump directly over here into our second refiner. This biodiesel right here. We also have a ender tank set up all the way over here to our ender room, our ender IO room, which I also need to work on this episode. Connected to a vat, which is supposed to be making us a nutrient. What is it? Nutrient distillant or whatever? Nutrient distillation. Yeah. So, and we take that and we pump that into this ender tank here. And we come back way over here, and what we end up with is oil. It refines into oil, which I've got pumping into this triple black ender tank right here. We've completely filled it up, and we have some left over. Now, why are we doing this? We need this oil in order to make plastic using our Pneumatic Craft setup. But I have a situation here. One, I need to hide all of these underground so I don't see the wires everywhere. Two, I need to set up, I need to automate seed insertion here, and I need to automate apple insertion over here in order to get the ethanol and plant oil produced naturally, as well as setting up sugar and zombie flesh automation in our Ender IO room over there. The other issue is energy. We don't have nearly enough energy being made off of our water wheels here. All of our machines are eating way more energy than we're making. This is not enough. I need to figure out how to make better energy to keep our machines running over here. And I'm pretty sure you can set these machines to run off of RF, like solar panels, like we've got over here. But to be perfectly honest, I need way more solar panels than what I have. So I was thinking, and we can use the immersive engineering. Ooh, not that one. Did I have a quest? Yeah, the VAT. Claim that. We can use our immersive engineering. Where is it? Zeta diesel generator. So I might off camera. Oh, it takes 13 heavy engineering blocks. Oh my god. Off camera, I might come through and set up this diesel generator to use some of our extra oil there, because I don't think we're going to be using all of the oil for making plastic. I'm not sure how much we're going to need for making plastic, but I don't think it'll be all of it all the time. So yeah, I'll consider that. Another thing that I need to do to get ready for making plastic is to set up a small farm for our tin dye seeds, because we are going to be running through a whole lot of dye to be making our plastic. And in order to do that, I'm going to need a ton of crop sticks. Do I have any crop sticks left over? Oh, no, I don't. Oh, well, I'm going to have to make some crop sticks. But I do have this mystical flower. I swear That's somewhere I have 10, 10, 10 dye seeds right there. Okay. So pop these over here, because in order to make the plastic, we need rose red, cactus green, and lapis. Lapis, not an issue. Cactus green, also not much of an issue. Very easy to make. But rose red, the only way I've got to make it is with the dye seeds. Unless I want to like farm up poppies and like plant bone meal and raise poppies. But dye seeds, we got them 10, 10, 10. They grow crazy fast. They'll be keeping us in red dye for the rest of the game. Not an issue at all. And that brings us to our Pneumatic Craft room. Off camera, I built a little side adjacent room next to our Empowerer here. Built it out of concrete, and this is what we have. I have our pressure chamber, a 4x4 setup. I don't want to do a 5x5. I don't see a reason for a 5x5 right now. And I can expand if I need to. And we have our refinery built, and our thermo-pneumatic processing plant built, and our plastic mixer built. I also took the time to make a couple of speed upgrades. Don't I have extra speed upgrades somewhere? I swear I had 6 speed upgrades. Well, they're gone. I thought I had 6 speed upgrades. Well, either way, we have this set up to build up pressure fairly quickly, and I'm pretty sure that I have this set to where it won't get higher than 4 bars because our pipes explode at 5. So I'm pretty sure that I have it set to turn off at 4, so it shouldn't get any higher than that. But because it still burns the fuel, it might blow up on us. We kind of had to be careful. A little worried about it, but that's the risk we had to take when we're messing with Pneumatic Craft, right? Do I have any iron to throw in there? I do not. So I put my oil. I'm going to set up an ender tank on the back side. It is right here. I'm going to set up that ender tank. We're going to pump it full of oil. And what that does is when this reaches a certain temperature, it'll make these 4 liquids, LPG being the one we want. And I have it being pumped out, put into our thermo-pneumatic processing plant with coal, and once that gets hot enough, it makes this liquid plastic, which I have being pumped out, boom, into our plastic mixer. I have it set right now to make black plastic, and it needs red, lapis, and green, and it needs a specific temperature, produces heat, requires heat, I mean. Okay, no problems. Black plastic, done. Black plastic, done. Okay, how many black plastic do I want to make? 11 should do us for right now. And that gives us 1 quest. And so why do I need the black plastic? I need the black plastic in order to make these transistors. And these transistors are a little expensive. They need these transistors, which require electrotine, copper, redstone. These are not a problem. This is the problem. Vivid alloy, plus glowstone, and energetic silver capacitors, which would take energetic alloy and coal, and then silver capacitors, which take lead, silver, and grainy capacitors. So we're getting down a rabbit hole here for these things. And what is the purpose? Why do I need this transistor? I need this transistor to get the metallurgic and to put in the metallurgic infuser, to get the basic control unit. And the basic control unit allows me to build things like my the sieve, the auto sieve that I need in order to start getting tons and tons and tons of blaze powder. It also allows me to build lots of Pneumatic Craft stuff. Lots of stuff there. Biogenerator, that's pretty good. And this allows us to start moving into the ME system eventually, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is what I want right here. Machine circuitry. So I'll need 4 of those transistors in order to make one machine circuitry. Expensive, which means I'm going to need 4 plastic, and I made 11. We're good there. I think this machine is so interesting to watch. Like, have the cool little animation for the doors opening, to me, is just so amazing. Once I get to 2 bar, what this should do is it should turn this into compressed iron, and that door should open. Speaking of, do I have? Yeah, I should be getting there. That door should open, and it'll go out and into this chest. But just the little the animations, the sound effect, the little sound that they make while they move across, everything about this mod is just pretty cool. Well designed. I've always been a little afraid of it, afraid to get into it, but they did a great job. Oh, it's at 2. Can we see it? Ah, if I'm not in front of my own pipe. What's the problem? I'm at 2 bars. Bro, you just said 2 bar. I see it right there. Well, it's not moving. Okay, now comes the fun part. So I need to make these silver capacitors, which is lead, silver nuggets. I have enough to make a ton of silver nuggets. You know, let's just make a whole bunch. I need lead and grainy capacitors. And I have the stuff to make grainy capacitors pretty easily. So that's this. That's this. Make 32. That's this. Make 16. Okay. Now I need to move up a tier, which is the energetic, which is 2 silvers, a pulverized, and 2 energetic silver alloy. So 8 here, 8 here, and then I need 16 silver alloy. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Bring them over here. 8 for you, and 8 for you, and then I should be able to put. Where's my pulverized coal? 16 there, and that should start auto outputting a bunch of those energetic silver, these energetic capacitors right here. So claim that one's done. Let's go ahead and grab these to get our next quest. Yeah, energetic capacitor, you're done. Claim it. And so we're working our way up here to these energized. Oh, I don't want to get up to these octactic. I remember how bad those were. And I have 16 of the reception coils, so those are already done. We'll send that back. We'll send the coal back. We'll keep the grains of infinity up here because I keep them in my little storage crate. So this... Did I only make 8? Really? Oh, yeah. Oh, I counted wrong. Ooh, I almost gave myself a heart attack. Okay. Alright, so to do the energized, we need glowstone and vivid alloy ingots, and I need to go get some glowstone. So I have enough to make 4 of these energized capacitors, and that should be enough to make 32 of these transistors. One more. That went a lot faster than I expected because these blocks take a long time for the Empower to make. Okay, energized capacitor done. So let's grab that, claim, and we'll send that rack back home. I'm pretty sure we have enough rack now to do the creative flight, but we have our jetpack, so I don't see the reason for the creative flight, to be perfectly honest. Okay, so now we have pressure built in the chamber. We need compressed iron. Oh, I need to, ooh, I need to craft it first. Copper, I gotta go have copper. I'm in the wrong place. I'm trying to craft it without having all the materials in advance. Oh, and electrotine. Do I have electrotine? Yes, I sure do. So let's grab you. Make all of those. And we'll send the red alloy back, the electrotine back, and the copper back. And I have a few of those left over. Oh, and I need to send the lead back. Don't want the lead. Oh, I need the red alloy. Ah, I'm so stupid. Stack, split in half, send you back. Okay. Let's go grab 32 of our compressed iron. We're using up a bunch of coal. 32. And then we should be able to go 32, 32, 32. And that should make our recipe, right? Oh, I need the black plastic. Where's my plastic? Don't have 32 plastic. Get in there. Do I have to move these around? Did I make a mistake? Please don't tell me I have to do it one at a time. That's ridiculous. I need 2 more black plastic. So 1, 2. I had 30. So we have our redstone, we have that, and it's taking our transistors. It should spit the transistor out into here next. There we go. Oh, and it made. Yeah, look at that. And I didn't lose all that much pressure. What are you called? Transistor can be used to make a transistor. Do I have it spelled correctly? Maybe I need the capital. Is it not coming out automatically? That's one thing I need to work on, is like how to get the stuff out of here without any issues. Transistor, there is like this filter which I'm filtering. Pressure chamber in. I thought there was a way for it to only filter out crafted material, because last time when I put the stuff in there, it just threw all my iron right back out, right? Well, please, let's just turn the filter back off and they'll come out now. Okay. So there is 32 transistors. Woo! That feels pretty good. Moving really quickly through this mechanical portion of the mod. So claim all those. What do I need for this capacitor? A microchip tier 3. Cyan plastic. So that would take a transistor, redstone, and diamond chips, which requires a cutting wire. Oh, that's nothing. That's easy. We can make those. That's not hard. Melodic capacitor. Woo! Those are hard. Okay. Haha. Oh, boy. So we'd have to build a slice and splice. We would need melodic alloy ingot, which is chorus fruit, insteel, and... yeah, chorus fruit and insteel. And thorium if I wanted to go faster. Okay. There should be slice and splice. The crystalline capacitor, which takes energized capacitors or octactic capacitors and crystalline alloy. Octactic capacitors are double layer and vibrant, and that's basic and energetic, and that's that. Oh boy. Let's get back up here to octactic. Crystalline alloy in the alloy smelter is grains of piezoality plus gold, and this is pulsating crystal cut through my sag mill, which is electrotine, pulsating iron, and diamonds, which is iron and ender pearls. Oh, that capacitor, that has a lot of steps. And what are you used in? Pneumatic Craft, the printed circuit boards. Oh no, and then the ME storage. Ooh, an imaginary time block, infinity capacitor. So all things that we're gonna need. So that horrible long crafting step is coming up in our future. We can't avoid that. Ugh, that's pretty gross. But what else can I do that's not that? That's not that. I would like to get this set up to be a liquid compressor. So that would require the air compressor, which I have, a small tank, which is easy, and thermoconducting alloy, which is extreme alloy, plus boron arsenide. Okay, boron arsenide is from an ingot farmer, which I would have to make. Ooh, ferroboron. Oh, plutonium ender casing. I don't have plutonium. I am pretty certain that I don't have plutonium. Where do I get plutonium? Molten plutonium. Where can I find this? Plutonium dust. Crusher, pulverizer. Cyanide dust plus formic acid. Cyanide ingot is sand and oh my goodness. The rabbit hole we have to go down now. Oh no. Well, instead of doing that, let's check out modular machinery, which is in beta? No. Zeta? No. Where are you? Theta? No. No. Oh my gosh, where is this quest line? Epsilon. There we go. So I need all of these things in order to make our auto sieve and our auto dissolver and all of those cool things. So the first step is to make this modularum, which is expensive. Okay, I'm gonna make a ton of that and I'll bring you back when I have it. Coming up on the end of crafting our metallurgic infuser here. Now, hopefully this will connect and be powered by our... Yeah, it's got energy. Okay. Now I need to put in redstone and a transistor. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I need 4. I think that's what I need. 4 redstone and 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how much redstone I need. I probably need more than that. Let's go get some more redstone just to be just to be safe. 42 eggs. How did I get 42 eggs? Coming from those chickens by my thing there. It looks like I just needed the 4 redstone. No, I needed more. Oh, I didn't want that much in there. Well, whatever. We've got that much in there. Come on, game. Give it to me, please. 3 and 4. That's going to allow us to make our circuit, our modular circuitry. Basic circuit. That's a lot of quests done this episode. How much modularium did I end up making? 64 plus 11. Okay. So let's figure out how much we can get done. Machine casing is this plus this makes 6 machine casing. Okay. Now, what else did we need? How many machine? I only needed 1. Machine controller. diamonds, blocks of redstone, and a casing and gold. Gold. Let's just... Wrong thing. Didn't want lead. Get out of my inventory. Go away. Don't want you. We wanted you. I should have a diamond. Yeah, I just had one. Got very lucky with that. Okay, let's... You know what? While we're here, let's just go at modular. So, machine controller. Boom. 1. Done. Machine casing. Machine vent. Need the iron bars. Bars. Vent. Let's just get 2 of those. I only needed 1. Okay, firebox casing. I need iron and lead. Not lead, flint. I mean flint. Ugh, don't want to decompress a block. We just go out here. We got those. We got these all day. Firebox casing 1. Machine gearbox is steel gears. Do I have any steel on me? I might have steel. I didn't mean to pick that up. I might have steel laying around here somewhere. Iron gears, tin gears, invar gears. Do I have any steel? Get out of here, chicken. Compressed iron, boron, steel. It takes 4 per. So I needed 4. So let's just get those 4. 2, 3. It's really expensive to make these gears. 4. Okay. Grab that. And that was this gearbox. All right. Starting to run out of inventory space, unfortunately. Machine circuitry. Done. Reinforced machine casing is obsidian. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1 more machine casing. Reinforced. Done. That should be a quest, right? Yes, that's done. Okay, we can start building our modular machines now, which is like a huge leap forward for us. We're going to need the auto dissolver. So if I go, whoops, wrong button, E. If I go auto dissolver, that's up here somewhere. Empower, compressor, chaos crucible, auto dissolver. We're going to need a whole bunch of things. 29 reinforced casings, heavy engineering blocks, buckets of water, machine grates, and then these outputs, inputs, fluid inputs, and a machine controller. And then we need the auto sieve, which requires machine controller, 59 machine casing. That is so much redstone alloy. Oh my god. 12 blocks of iron, 4 machine circuitries. That's a lot of redstone there. 16 machine gearboxes. That's a lot of steel and a mob masher. Okay, so next episode, we're going to have all of those things put up. And we're probably going to set them up right here for now until we can get, you know, a good space for it sorted out. While I'm waiting, I'm going to need a ton of these. There's no use trying to hide it. We're going to need a ton of those machine circuitries. And while I'm here, I need to start producing a ton of modularum also, which not so easy to do. Okay, well, everybody, thank you for watching. If you liked this episode, please leave me a like. If you didn't like this episode, feel free to leave me a dislike. As always, this has been STG Sheep, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.